Enjoy a healthy breakfast of information, entertainment, and fun. The Breakfast Club on Star FM. Sounding good all the time.
Good morning. Welcome to the Star FM Breakfast Quiz. My name is Yasha Mandimutsira, and in the studio we've got Tollgate Motor Spares. Good morning, guys.
Hey, mamukasi.
Tamuka mamukase. Muruchigona seko chando.
Kurukutonora.
Kurutonora.
Yeah, kurutonora.
July back in August. Takaenda. All right, so can you introduce yourself and introduce your team?
Okay, my name is Dagara Mhlanga. Then ndina operation manager wedu anonzi Tatenda Nyanda na Blessing.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So, what's Tollgate Motor Spares here to give us? Muruku offer chi. What are you offering us?
Okay, Tollgate Motor Spares ikamba inotengesa ma spares emota nema engines acho. Takatekeshera nenyika yese. Muno muHarare tinowanika kwa Gazaland pa number 30 Kagui, Chegutu, Kwekwe, Kweru, chero vari kure tinoita ma delivery. Tinokutumira zvinhu zvenyu kwamuri ikoko.
Okay, awesome stuff. What are you currently running?
Okay. Tine engine yedu ye2 yanga ichita 2.5 patakangopinda muholiday imomu izoya pa 2.2 takabvisira 300 iyo ye2 inopinda pa Toyota Hiace even kuma pickup.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so Tollgate Motor Spares, are you Team A or Team B?
Team A.
Team A. That makes Breakfast Club Team B. All right, let's get into it. Tollgate Motor Spares, your first question. Which continent was once nicknamed the Dark Continent?
Africa.
It is indeed Africa. Breakfast Club, your question. Which part of the world is known as the New World?
New World.
Which part of the world is known as the New World?
Was this us?
Yes,
Yeah,
you.
us. Yeah. Oceania.
Well, it is correct.
No, it's correct.
It is correct.
Yeah.
No, it is correct because it's the Americas, Oceania.
Yeah, so it's correct.
All right, Tollgate Motor Spares, your question. What name is given to the type of alphabet used by the majority of countries in the West? What name is given to the type of alphabet used by the majority of countries in the West? There's a type of alphabet?
Any clues?
No. What's your answer, guys? Okay, the answer I'm looking for is Latin,
No.
Roman alphabet.
Of course.
Yeah. All right. All right. Breakfast Club, your question. What name beginning with the letter C is given to the type of alphabet used in Russia and Ukraine?
Sorry, is that person from?
Yes. Anzi, what name beginning with the letter C is given to the type of alphabet used in Russia and Ukraine?
It is not Kremlin.
But Kremlin decay.
It's in the Creole. Creole is downwards. Come on, just say something.
It's okay.
Do you have an answer, Kiss?
Well,
Yeah, it's okay. We'll pass.
The answer is Cyrillic. Yes. It is Cyrillic. Cyrillic. Pronunciation differs, guys. All right. Tungoda. In the football world, this is Tollgate Motor Spares. What do the letters AFC stand for? In the football world, what do the letters AFC stand for?
Arsenal Football Club.
Okay. The answer I'm looking for is Asian Football Confederation.
Yo.
Breakfast Club, your question. In the football world, what do the letters UEFA stand for?
You ask.
Wait.
UEFA.
Yes, Union of European Football Association.
It is indeed Union of European Football Association. All right. Tollgate Motor Space. Breakfast Club. My points are square. All right. Tollgate Motor Space. Your question: which South African telenovela became the biggest African Netflix hit of all time when it was released in June 2026?
Wow.
Yes.
Polygamist.
It is indeed The Polygamist. Breakfast Club, your question: what is the name of the polygamist Zimbabwean-born writer?
Sunyati.
It is Sunyati. All right, Tollgate Motor Spares, your question: which women's national rugby union team is known as the Black Ferns?
Heavy.
Yeah.
Ferns.
Which women's national rugby union team is known as the Black Ferns? Mambo Basi. Do you have an answer, guys?
No.
Okay, so the answer I'm looking for is New Zealand.
Yeah.
All right, Breakfast Club. Which men's rugby national team is nicknamed the Pumas?
Argentina.
It is indeed Argentina. All right,
Happening,
That's okay. Tollgate Bonus Spares, your question. The hairstyle called Mohican by the British is known as what in the United States?
Sorry, please come again.
The hairstyle known as Mohican by the British is known as what in the United States?
Mo.
It is indeed a mohawk. All right, Breakfast Club, your question. What name is given to a young male attendant at weddings who assists with tasks during the ceremony? Is a name for him?
A young man.
What name is given to a young male attendant at weddings who assists with tasks during the ceremony?
Kevin. That's all
Are we going to say the really? Oh, mini groom.
Oh my gosh. All right, the answer I'm looking for is Page Boy.
Oh.
Page
Hang
Boy.
on. That I knew. I just didn't know it was that.
Oh, all right. Tollgate Motor Spares. In the 2016 Disney animation film of the same name, what is the name of the Polynesian girl who goes in search of the lost island of Motufetu?
Eggs. I love it. You did
Moana.
Moana.
Oh, it is Moana. All right. All right, Breakfast Club, your question. In 1993, which 1993 science fiction film is set on the fictional island of Isla Nublar?
Say that again.
Which 1993 science fiction film is set on the fictional island of Isla Nublar? Yeah.
Is it something we know? Is it something we know?
93.
Yes.
Yeah, I wasn't yet there.
Really?
Yeah.
What
close.
year were you born?
You and me both good. All right.
Where is it rain?
No, oh no, it's Jurassic Park.
Oh.
All right. Tollgate Motor Spares, your question. What is American musician 50 Cent's birth name?
Curtis Jackson. Sorry, Curtis Jackson.
Curtis Jackson.
It is indeed Curtis Jackson.
Wow. I thought
All
it
right.
was Jones.
Breakfast Club, your question. The South African rapper born Refilwe Maele Pulo is known professionally as who?
Casper Nyovest.
It is indeed Casper Nyovest. All right. Tollgate Motor Spares, your question. On the 10 Zig note, What landform is featured on the back or reverse side? On the 10 zig note, what landform is featured on the back or reverse side?
Victoria Falls.
Balancing rocks, Matopos. All right, Breakfast Club. What watermark features on all of the zig notes issued in 2026?
What is the watermark feature?
Yes.
For them and take off. Watermark. When you say watermark,
Yeah. Watermark feature.
Like watermark.
is it not the Zimbabwean bird? Yeah. It should be. Yeah. What else could we put there? The Great Zimbabwe ruins?
What's your final answer?
It is the bird, the
bird.
Zimbabwean bird.
It is indeed the Zimbabwean
Yes.
bird. All right, final question for Tollgate Motor Spares. According to the Bible, how old was Noah when the flood started?
Excellent question.
How old was Noah when the flood started? How old was Noah? Just find out.
102.
600 is the answer. Yes, 600. 600. Okay. Breakfast Club. According to the Bible, your final question. Which mountain did Noah's Ark land after the flood?
Is it Sinai? No. Is it?
According to the Bible, on which mountain did Noah's Ark land after the flood?
Check your time.
Yes, Mori.
It is Ararat.
Okay, so Tollgate 5 out of a 10, Breakfast Club 6 out of a
We
10.
are back. We are back.
Tamira Mira.
We just want to say we're back. We're so excited. You know, we're back. We're back. Baba Shata, thanks so much for coming through, guys. You are absolutely amazing. You're so much fun. Thank you for tuning in to the Breakfast Club on Star FM, sounding good all the time. It is 9 o'clock and it's time for the news.
This is